So I have here this 8x10 picture frame. Seems like it's a nice quality. It's a matte black frame with, of course, the plexiglass to cover the picture. I bought this to fit an 8x10 picture, and the interior there is 9.5 inches long and just over 7 inches tall. So it'll crop your 8x10 just slightly. And this is how thick it is, almost 3/4 of an inch. So that's how far it'll stick out from the wall. Here is the back side. You can see it has these little tabs here so that you can open it up. It has 3 of them, and then one side does not have one. That way you can open it up, put your photo underneath this cushion right here, and that cushion will keep it nice and secure in the frame. Then, of course, put those tabs back in place. And you got your picture inside your frame. Looks beautiful. So you have 2 options here. You can certainly hang it on a wall, either in portrait or in landscape, or you can just set it on your desk using this fold-out tab. It is just perfect for what I needed it for, and I think it looks great.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.